Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to solve the equation using a formula. So, step 1, I usually try to identify the value of A in the formula, which is actually the number in front of x squared. In this case here, if there's no number, actually we are talking about 1 x squared here. The value of B is actually negative 8 and the value of C is negative 48. So with this, I will then be able to substitute into this formula neatly. So x will be equals to negative, and there is a negative B. Right, plus and minus a square root of negative B square. Negative 8 square, sorry. Minus 4. My A is 1. And my C is negative 48. And the whole thing divided by 2 times A. A in this case is 1. And after which, I'm going to simplify this a little bit. Negative times negative 8. This will give me a positive 8. Plus and minus the square root of. The square root will be 256. If you use your calculator well, 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, and at this point there will be 2 answers. So my x will be equals to 8 plus square root 256 divided by 2, or x will be equals to 8 minus the square root of 256 divided by 2. And this will give me a value of 12. And at the other side, this will give me a value of negative 4. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.